There is no shame in not having a driver's license.
Yeah, totally.
I'm not a good driver. I'll kill someone if I drive. Okay, so we are in a Taco Bell parking lot right now because we wanted to try and order all of the vegan menu items at Taco Bell. Anything that they'll make vegan for us, right?
Yeah.
I don't know if this is going to be a series on my channel. I just thought it would be a fun thing to do. Seen a lot of other YouTubers do it. We're both very hungry.
Starving.
So we were like, why not make a video out of it? And also, I haven't had Taco Bell in years. Like years.
I've never had Taco Bell before.
Ever?
It's my first time.
What?
Yeah.
I remember having it as a kid one time. And then I think I had it in the States.
It's just like, of all the fast food places out there, there's like way better choices.
Yeah,
So
see, I never understood people that were
Taco Bell?
hardcore Taco Bell fans. Like, I never got that.
Okay, that was never like my top 5.
What was your favorite fast food before you went
Wendy's.
vegan?
Wendy's.
What?
Oh.
What the?
Wendy's?
Of all the fast food, Wendy's?
Okay, Wendy's and A&W. And A&W is coming out with a new vegan breakfast sandwich, so we have to try that next.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I never really ate A&W before I went vegan. I only started eating at A&W after they got the Beyond Meat burger. We were a Burger King family.
Fun fact, I worked at a Burger King.
The chicken sandwich was like our thing growing up.
Yeah, you don't want to know what goes into those.
Oh, no,
I worked at a Burger King when I was like 16.
Cool.
It's terrible.
I worked at a Tim Hortons. So we're gonna go through the drive-thru?
Yeah, let's do this.
You did some research.
I did. We'll pull up the list of things.
And then we'll park the car and eat in the car like the cool,
Antisocial,
well-conditioned adults that we are. Do we just ask them to give us anything that's vegan? Do we give this list and then say, do you know if anything else is vegan or that you can make vegan?
I guess we could try.
I don't know.
All right, let's do it.
Cool. Thanks for driving my hungry ass around. Don't hit this person.
Jesus. You know what? This won't be a series on your channel because this is the last time I'm dragging you around.
Hey, you get food out of it. I guess you always get food out of hanging out with me, though.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not really a selling point anymore.
Not anymore.
Isn't the thing there?
Yeah.
Don't you order there? You f***ed it up.
Yeah, we
Okay, so you're gonna go through the drive-thru.
We're gonna go through the drive-thru twice.
Cool.
Yeah. Sorry, we f***ed up. Yes.
Okay, let's try
I was
this
too
again.
busy trying not to kill people.
This is going really well. Let's try this again.
Yes. Here we go.
Oh, there's the little thing.
KFC Taco Bell.
There you
Would
go.
you like to try our chicken poutine today?
I would not like to try your chicken satine today. Can I order? Oh, okay.
I've never had so much trouble filming a video in my life. So we have to go talk to people? Like
Apparently.
in person?
I'm just like super devastated right now.
Or do you want me to try and find another one?
I would prefer not to talk to people, but
Okay. I'm gonna look up some things on my phone. Are we driving all the way to Mississauga to find a drive-thru at Taco Bell?
alright, like we might have to.
A 40-minute drive? No, we're not doing that.
There's one on 5322 Dundas.
Does it have a drive-thru?
I don't know, I can't see the street.
Are we this socially anxious? Like we can't go inside a Taco Bell because
I just don't think we can
hate
film.
people
Can we
this much.
film?
Oh, I mean probably not.
Just stand behind me while I order and like be like discreet about it. Yeah, let's just go inside.
Okay. And be like, wow, we really hate people this much.
I mean, we do.
Okay, back to the car. I mean, that's not a lot of food. I mean, it's a lot of food, but I'm with you, so it's not that much food.
This is like enough to feed a lot of people.
A family.
It was actually cheap too. It was like 32 bucks.
Yeah. I understand why people eat fast food. 32 bucks to feed a family of probably 4.
Or,
I get it.
or me.
Or you.
One.
What is this?
Cinnamon twist.
Oh.
Oh wow. Not what I was expecting, to be honest.
It's like air.
Yeah. Okay. So we ordered 2 of each of these. We had a Crunchwrap with beans instead of beef and fresco style, 7-layer burrito fresco style with beans instead of beef, a double decker with black beans instead of beef and guac instead of cheese, and then 2 orders of cinnamon twists, which are these pockets of air with cinnamon on them, basically.
This though.
You gotta read them. I think that's the best part, is seeing what they say.
What do you mean?
Hot. I know I'm good. They have sayings on them. Hashtag hot sauce selfie. Should
we take one of those?
Do it with passion or not at all.
Agreed.
I mean, agreed, but like that's pretty deep for a packet of hot sauce from Taco Bell.
What's this? This is a taco?
I don't know. They didn't tell us.
So this is some sort of taco
And a tortilla.
situation. It's like a hard shell taco wrapped in a soft shell taco. Between the taco is beans, and then in the taco is beans and lettuce.
Okay, this is the double decker.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oops.
Has a tortilla and a taco shell.
I mean, they could have put some like tomato on it or something. It's just tortilla and lettuce.
I didn't even get lettuce in mine.
What?
No. Mine's just guac and black beans.
What?
Yeah.
So it's, I mean, it's pretty boring.
Very bland.
You definitely need the hot sauce, I think, in order for it to be interesting. Also not a great car food as it's falling everywhere.
You gotta eat it like this. This is how you eat tacos.
Oh, I don't know. I don't eat fast food. I don't know the fast food rules.
And you called me uncultured.
I don't think knowing the proper way of eating Taco Bell makes you cultured.
First of all, it's tacos. Second of all, how dare you? What has Taco Bell done to you?
They gave me a shitty taco. So just put hot sauce on everything and it's fine. So what would you rate this?
I mean, it's hard to tell because I'm really hungry. I'm thinking like a 5 or a 6.
Really?
I'm being pretty generous because
Yeah, I mean, I probably wouldn't go over a 5. If I'm like, I don't know, going on a road trip and this was my option, it's not the worst.
I've had worse things.
Yes, but I wouldn't like be like, oh my God, I'm craving this bean and lettuce taco.
That's very fair. Oh, okay. This looks more promising.
What if I get full?
You're not allowed to.
Are we eating all of this? Is this like a taste test / mukbang?
Yeah, I guess so.
I'm gonna try your technique here.
Okay, okay.
What is this? This is just a tortilla with nothing in it.
This is
My first bite was just tortilla.
a 7-layer burrito fresco style.
There's nothing in it.
I got lettuce this time, so I'm pretty
I
excited
got
about
tomatoes.
that. Oh,
It tastes like the other thing, just in a burrito.
less crunchy. Much more soft. I'm enjoying this one more though. I will give it that.
Is it because of the addition of lettuce?
It actually might be. Where's the pico de gallo? That's what I want to know.
So what would you rate this burrito out of 10?
Okay.
I would rate it a 5 because it tastes... Actually, you know what? I would rate it a 4 because I enjoyed the crunch in the other one.
See, I was going the opposite way. I did not enjoy the taco-esque thing we just ate as much as I enjoyed this.
See, this
So I was
tastes...
going to give this a 6.
Oh, wow. Look at you. What, are you trying to get a brand deal with Taco Bell? Giving them so much praise? It tastes exactly like the other one to me, except without the fun crunch. And I enjoyed the crunch.
Yeah, but I got lettuce in this one, so I think that's why I'm enjoying it a lot more.
What are the 7 layers in here? There's tomato,
Lettuce.
lettuce, that's 2, and avocado, and beans.
Tortilla. We're at 5.
That's not part of the, is that part of the layer? I guess it is the bottom layer. That's it. Shouldn't there be rice in a burrito?
Normally they do, like at actual burrito places.
Are you saying that Taco Bell is not an actual burrito place?
It's called Taco Bell.
It's a taco place?
Yes.
What? I kind of know this. Oh, this is our last item.
The Crunchwrap, which I'm excited about.
This one's very squished.
Yeah,
They also
depressing.
weigh completely different
You
amounts. Like this one is nice and flat and very heavy. This one, it's probably missing the lettuce. Okay. I mean,
I'm drunk apparently. They weigh the same.
they do not.
They weigh the same.
Here, I'm gonna take the broken one. Oh my God, I was not kidding when I said I'll take the broken one. Are you ready for this? Are you ready? I don't think you're ready. Guys, someone hates me.
Look how nice this is. It's such a cute little Crunchwrap Supreme.
It's a little pocket. Mine is this. I think this is just lettuce too. How am I supposed to eat this?
You're the Taco Bell expert.
I am?
I've never been here before. Okay, this is the Crunchwrap with beans instead of beef and fresco style.
Here, do you want a cinnamon swirl? Who enjoys that?
I love it when
Who
my
does
air
that-
tastes like cinnamon.
Ha
Yeah, I don't know how to eat yours. This is like a bowl.
Please, sir. Can I have one that's not broken? There's nothing in this. I'm just eating tortilla. What is this? Taco Bell. Maybe we should have gone to a Taco Bell in a higher end neighborhood. I don't even know how to eat this.
I mean, I'm doing pretty good. Mine looks...
Yours is so full. Mine is hashtag sad.
Oh my god, did you just use a hashtag in a sentence?
Why is this Crunchwrap a metaphor for my life?
You're really negative today. You just ripped on Taco Bell the entire video.
Well, it wasn't good. So I think this had the potential to be like a 5 or 6, but I think it's like a minus. You know what this is? It is 2 bald Britney Spearses out of 10.
That's like 10 out of 10 for effort, but like minus several million for execution. Mine, on the other hand, I give it a 5.5.
Well, la-ti-da for you.
It's basically the same thing that we ate the first time in a different form.
So pretty much, if you are going to eat vegan food at Taco Bell, it's all gonna taste the same, no matter what you get.
So just go for the cheapest thing and order that like 6 times.
I've resorted to folding it in half and trying to eat it like a burrito. Maybe I can, hold on. Skills.
Well, they're just letting anything pass for skills now, eh?
So, how's your day? There's so much. Do you want some of my tortilla? I didn't actually expect you to eat it.
Leaking. Leaking.
I threw it on the ground. In the bag though, don't worry, I'm not a savage. I'll just put hot sauce on it and then it'll be okay. If only I could handle all my problems this way.
That'd be pretty cool.
Just put hot sauce on it and it'll be fine.
Someone's annoying you, just go, you're done.
That would elicit the opposite reaction from me than you want. Because I love hot sauce.
And you'd be like, give me all the hot sauce. You'd be more annoying about it.
Yep. So, do you want to go somewhere good for lunch?
Oh, Kobe.
That did
Let's
not
just
go
pretend like that went
Nope,
in.
it did
Let's
not
pretend.
go in. Nope.
I mean, they don't need to know that.
But I'm telling them. I don't lie. I'm not a liar, John. You want this?
Yep.
I'm done. Moving on to these delicious air pockets. Oh, no mas. No, thank you.
They're really not that bad. You're being dramatic.
Okay, they're not terrible.
Yeah.
They're just unsatisfying.
Fair. Yes, there is nothing to them.
Overall experience, I would give Taco Bell a for effort, but a C- in execution, a fail in presentation, but like a B- in, no, I would give it a B in like if you're on a road trip and you need to stop somewhere and eat something vegan. Not bad.
I would have to, what's up?
Do you want some water? Did you think I was getting this for you? Here, you can have it.
You're so kind. You're such a kind and benevolent ruler.
God, the hyperbole coming out of this kid.
I would have to agree for the most part with Candace. The guy was really nice.
I'm sorry,
inside.
can you say that again?
I said I agree with, for the most part with you.
Yeah, that never happens.
The guy was really friendly inside. We asked him if we can make anything else vegan. He's just like, just look at the menu and whatever you want to make vegan, we can make it vegan for you. He's like, don't worry about it, we got you. So they're definitely super helpful there. And if you're in a pinch, I definitely do recommend them. It just,
it all tastes the same.
yeah. Well, it was all basically the same.
Yeah.
There was just nothing to it. It was just beans and guac.
Iceberg lettuce.
Yeah.
And sometimes it's a tomato.
Still, overall,
Not the worst.
pretty happy with my experience. My first experience, actually.
High five. That, what was,
I'm just gonna see myself out now.
let's try that again. Yeah. Okay guys, if you want us to review more vegan options at fast food restaurants, leave us a comment in the comment section letting us know where you want it to go next. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification so that you get notified for new videos every single week. Oh, and don't forget to go subscribe. If you are not yet subscribed to John's channel, you should go and subscribe to him.
Terrible. Do that again. Do it again.
What did you do? Were you like, why don't you just do it?
Absolutely not. That's so pretentious.
And guys, make sure you go follow John's channel, subscribe to his channel. He does things that are vegan too.
That was terrible. That was absolute junk.
Go over there and subscribe to him. He does some cool vegan things on his channel. His dog Bone is super adorable, so really just go subscribe for the dog.
That's fair. I can't argue it.
Yeah. So I will leave a link to his channel in the description box below and probably up here somewhere. Okay. Bye. It is a sauna in here and I might be dead.